Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add your Instagram business page to your Shopify, how you can connect it. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Then you have to tap onto this option. Here you can see this apps option. Tap onto apps. After clicking onto apps, you can search for Instagram shopping. After searching for Instagram shopping, you will find a lot of provider right here. Just choose the best provider you want to connect. For example, I'm gonna tap on this Facebook channel. Like, this is also a provider right here, so just install the extension and then you have to head over to settings and store details. You will find this option. Now you have to connect the installed extension to your Shopify store and with your Instagram. So this is how you can add shopping to your Instagram shopping to your Shopify store very easily. Just install a provider from here and then connect it to your Shopify store. Okay, so that's it. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video.